back, everybody. Today we're making Korean chicken wings. Or in other words, duck jong dong. Long duck dong. Duck jong gong. Duck gong jong. Sounds like my sister's name. Anyways, I'm gonna call it Korean chicken wings because that's much easier, you know? So they're sweet, they're spicy, they're delicious. It'll take us about 30 minutes to blend the ingredients together and fry these wings. So let's get started. You're gonna need about 24 chicken wings for this recipe. This recipe, we're gonna use all drum legs because nobody likes the legs anyways. You know what I mean? What's it called, the wing?
Now place the wings in a pot. Rinse it in cold water for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, we're gonna make the batter for the wings. 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now we're gonna add 3 teaspoons of ginger. Smash her thoroughly and smash her some more. And dice finally into small pieces. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of potato starch. This will complete our batter. Thoroughly mix all ingredients together until they're well mixed. And place 1 wing at a time into the batter. Ensure you thoroughly coat each wing, or you can toss in 3-4 wings. It's all up to you. Now we're going to add the cooking oil.
After you pour the oil, the cool little trick is I like to take a chopstick and put it in the oil. And if you see bubbles coming up, you know the oil's hot enough to put the wings in.
Now take the batter wings and add it to the cooking oil. Nice and crispy, nice and brown.
Now that we got the wings in the oil, it'll take about 20 minutes to make them golden brown. In the meantime, let's start making the sauce.
Take 4 pieces of garlic. Smash them, then dice them thinly. Perfect. 3 Thai chili peppers. If you want it more spicy, go for 6. It's all up to you. I prefer 3 though. 4 teaspoons of coconut oil. Once the garlic and Thai chili peppers are crispy, add 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of honey, and now you're going to add a 1/4 cup of white sugar and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Or you could just use 1/2 cup of white sugar. That's all up to you. And mix thoroughly until it thickens. Looks amazing. Now you're going to add the wings to the sauce. Mix thoroughly.
Now that we're done, let's do the taste test. It's good. Sweet, spicy. Mix some rice with this too. Some rice. Those are big. Scoop of rice. Great night, and please subscribe. Take care. Bye.